So now let's see how you can make a post API call using fetch in your HTML page. So here I already have an HTML page. It has a head section, it has a script section inside which I have defined a function called init, which is being called on the body's onload event. So if you see here, if I refresh the page, you should be able to see init called. Now here inside the init function, let's make an API call, or let's make an API post request. For that, we need to define fetch. We'll be requiring URL. That will be using JSON placeholder users. I'll just copy this URL, put it here. As a second parameter, we have options where we can specify the type of request. If no requests are specified, it's a GET request. If we are trying to make some other kind of a request, we can put in the request like this method post. Now, since we are posting some data, we need to pass in something inside the body. For that, we just need to pass in the body as this. Inside, we need to pass in the required fields. So here, one of the required fields will be name. For that, I'll just add a name. Once this is done, we should be able to make the API call. Now the response to this API will be a response, will be a promise. So we'll just define then call back here and the response here, and we'll just try to log the response and see what's coming in. Response from API. Let's also define a catch block. We'll just log it just in case if something goes wrong. We should be able to see it in our browser console. Right, I'll just save this thing, rerun the HTML page. So here you can see we got a response from the user. Response header status is 2 not 1, which means a resource is created. Now we also need to read the readable stream here, so I'll just add a then block here also, and whatever response we are getting, I'll just do response.json. That should help us to read the readable stream, and once this is resolved, it should get passed on to response here, and we should be able to see the actual response. I'll just save this thing, refresh the page. You can see we are getting a response from the API, response from our post call, which is ID 11. Now you can go to the network tab also. You can see here the user's API call, right? And this is the payload that we passed, and this is the response. So this is how you can make a post request using fetch in your HTML page. Hope you find this video useful. Do let me know your thoughts in the comments below. Thanks for watching.